Hi, Yusek. Good afternoon po. Yusek, si self-confessed aide Ramil Madriaga claimed during the House impeachment hearing that former President Rodrigo Duterte and some retired military generals allegedly discussed plans to unseat President Bongbong Marcos, including a supposed assassination plot. He also alleged that there was a deal between the Marcos and Duterte camps for the president to step down by 2025 or pwersahan daw po siyang papaalisin sa pwesto. Given the gravity of an alleged assassination plot against the president, will Malacanang order a separate and full-scale investigation on the matter?
Sa ngayon po ay aalamin natin ang buong katotohanan rito. Pero ang pinag-usapan na ni Mr. Ramil Madriaga at ng dating Pangulong Duterte ay wala po tayong personal na kaalaman, kahit na ang Pangulo ay walang personal na kaalaman patungkol po dito. Ang Pangulo po ay nangampanya sa taumbayan, nangako na maglilingkod sa taumbayan at nangakong tatapusin ang kanyang termino para sa bayan.